Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Daisy. I'm very excited because today I have an unboxing and review of my new Vevor 28 inches cutter machine. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how to set it up, and how to use it. If you are planning to start your personalization business and are researching to buy a cutter machine that is functional, easy to use, affordable, and that cuts bigger than a home cutter machine, you will enjoy this tutorial. With the Vevor 28 inches cutter machine, you will be able to cut larger designs compared to a 12 inches cutter machine like Cricut. You will be able to create vinyl banners and signs for walls, windows, cars, etc. You can cut adhesive vinyl and iron-on vinyl. This machine comes with a stand. You can place it on a desk or you can place it on the stand. Before I start, I want to thank the Vevor company for sending this machine so I could create this video for you. Let's get to it. I'm going to link this machine in the video description below, along with all the supplies used for this tutorial. This machine comes with the operation manual, DVD with the software. If your computer does not play DVDs, don't worry. The software also comes in the USB stick. But keep this box because the serial number comes inside this box. Power cord, USB cord, computer interface cable in case you need it, USB sticks. This USB memory has the SignMaster software and videos to set up this machine. 3 cutting blades, screws to assemble the stand, the blade housing, a pen for the drawing feature, and the easy to install machine stand. Now I'm going to go ahead and start setting up the machine. Connect the power cord, the USB cable from the machine to the computer, and then we're going to install the blade. Push the back of the housing and insert the blade all the way. Unscrew the gold ring, then with the silver ring you are going to adjust the level of the blade. It has to stick out just a little, like the thickness of 2 pages of copy paper put together. Now we're going to install it on the machine. Open the clamp and place the blade all the way. Then tighten it up. Now I'm going to place the vinyl. I'm going to place 24 inches adhesive vinyl to cut my first design or first decal. You can secure it on the sides and the center or just the sides if you wish. Make sure it's well aligned. Now we're going to go ahead and test it. Press offline. Next, with the arrows, we're going to adjust the position of the material and the blade. To adjust the position of the material, we're going to press on the top and bottom arrow. Now to adjust the position of the blade, we're going to press on the right and left arrow. I'm going to place the blade on that position so it will start to cut over there. Before cutting the big design, I'm going to test the machine. Press on origin and on the screen you're going to see these parameters, 800 by 180. I'm going to test it with these parameters and see how it cuts. Press on test. And let's see how it cut. It did cut great. I'm going to show you. So we're going to leave those parameters, 800 by 180. I'm going to adjust the position of the vinyl so I can cut my first big design. Click on Offline. Then using the top and bottom arrow, adjust the material. Then adjust the blade using the left and right arrow. Then click on Origin. Now it's ready for the next cut. Now I'm going to go ahead and move to the computer to show you how to install the software. Insert the USB stick on your computer and open it. Here you're going to see many folders. One is the software and the rest are videos of how to set up the machine. To install the software, click on this folder that says Sign Master and open it. Here select your language and click OK. Accept the agreement and click Next. Here you're going to type the serial number that comes in the box that I showed you before. Now click Next. Accept this other agreement and click Next. And here select either metric or inches. I'm going to select inches and click Next. And here you're going to select your model. You're going to see the model number on the left side of the machine. Now click Next and Next, and now your program is being installed. Depending on your computer, it might take some time. Here click OK, then Finish. Open the software and activate it following the prompts on the screen. Now here you are going to select New Document. And the first thing we're going to do here is to change the size of the canvas. This is a letter size canvas. If you're going to work with a small design, you can leave it like that. I'm going to cut a 22 by 44 inches design, so I need a bigger canvas. Click on the document size icon where it says letter, and there you're going to see the list of the documents or canvas that you can work with. There are several sizes. The popular size documents, signs, banners, etc. You can either select one of these sizes or you can customize your own. I'm going to select the 36 by 48 inches canvas. Now I'm going to insert the design that I'm going to be cutting. Click on File, Import, open the folder where you have your design or file, select it and open it. This is an SVG file, but you can also use PNG and JPEG files. Now click on the canvas and there is your design. Now you can resize it to your liking. You can resize it using the little squares around the image, or you can also resize it on the bar size above. I'm going to click on the lock to lock it so the image doesn't distort, and then I'm going to change the measurements to 22 inches wide. Now I'm going to select the image and I'm going to rotate it. Since it's a big design, it's going to cut it vertical. Now that my design is ready, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Click on the blade icon on top. Here you're going to select your cutter model. Remember, you can find that number on the left side of the machine. I'm going to test the area before sending the cut. We're going to click on Area Test. Here, click Yes. Now the machine is going to frame the area where the design is going to be cut. If everything looks okay, go back to the machine to send the cut. Click on Cut Now and click Yes. I think it's almost ready. It's the first time I cut a design as big as this one. I'm going to go ahead and with it to show you the design. And here is the first project. I love how it turned out. You can cut designs like this to decorate walls, doors, windows, cars, etc. I'm very excited. I love this machine. Now I will show you how to cut several designs at once in one piece of vinyl. With my previous home cutting machine, I have to cut one design at a time, and it's time consuming. I already have those designs on the screen. I'm going to be customizing kitchen towels, t-shirts, and tote bags. This is a letter size canvas, so I'm going to change it. But this time I'm going to customize it with my own measurements. Click on the document size icon and click on Edit Size. And here type your measurements. The canvas is going to be 22 inches by 36 inches. Now I'm going to place all of the designs in the canvas. They are going to have different measurements. I'm going to use these designs to customize t-shirts, kitchen towels, and tote bags. If you would like to use any of these designs, I'm going to link them in the video description below. Some of them are free from my blog and the other ones can be bought at Creative Fabrica. They are ready to be cut. I'm going to cut them in iron-on vinyl. Matte side is facing up and glossy part facing down. Now here, click offline to align the material and the blade. Once the vinyl and the blade are in the right position, you're going to press on origin. Now here, since we're going to cut iron on vinyl, we're going to change the parameters. Use the arrows to change the parameters to 800 by 100. Next, you're going to press test to test the cut. Let's see how it cut. For what I can see, it did a great cut. Yes, it did. Now we're ready to cut the designs. Now let's go back to the computer and click on the blade icon. Since we're cutting iron on vinyl, it's very important to click on mirror mode. Next, we're going to frame the material to make sure it's going to cut inside the vinyl. Click on test area, then click yes, and let's go to the machine. If everything looks okay, let's go back to the computer and send the cut. Click on cut now and then yes. I'm going to link this machine in the video description below. It almost finished. It cuts super fast. I'm going to wait it to show you the designs, and then I'm going to be pressing them on the items. You can cut the designs and weave them individually, or you can weave them all at once like this. Now I'm going to show you really quick how to transfer them on the items. I'm going to be customizing these 2 t-shirts, 3 kitchen towels, and a tote bag. To press the designs, you will need a heat press machine or a home iron. I'm pressing these designs at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. I already pressed all of the designs. Now I'm going to remove the transparent film. Look, they are beautiful, and it was very easy to customize them. I'm very happy with my new Vevor 28 inches cutter machine because I can cut bigger designs, and also I can cut several designs at once. And the software is very easy to use. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing, review, and tutorial of my new Vevor 28 inches cutter machine. And if you like this video, I invite you to support this channel by subscribing, liking this video, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit.